All right, I got a pretty simple problem today. It says blood volume VB in a human can be determined with this equation, where VP is the plasma volume and H is the I'm not even gonna try and say that, the fractional blood volume, that is red blood cells. Which of the following correctly expresses the whatever in terms of the blood volume and plasma volume? Okay, so basically we need to express H isolated in terms of VB and VP. Okay, cool. So if we write this out, VB equals VP over 1 minus H. Yes, that's pretty messy. Hopefully you can tell what I'm writing. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 1 minus H. So we can get VB multiplied by 1 minus H equals VP. Now I'm not going to distribute VB into the 1 and the H. Just make things simple because we're trying to isolate for H, right? So now we can just divide both sides by VB. So you get 1 minus H equals VP over VB. And so now what we can do is isolate for H. So we just subtract 1 on both sides. I'm going to switch colors here so we don't get confused. So now we have VP over VB. Okay, this is starting to get bad. VB, and then we're going to subtract 1. And that's going to be equal to negative H, right? We want this in terms of positive H, not negative H. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. And so if we come over here, if we divide VP over VB by negative 1, we're going to get negative VP over VB. And then if we divide negative 1 by negative 1, that's positive 1, so it's plus 1. So this thing right here is the same as just 1 minus VP over VB equals positive H. So if we look in our answer choices, we can see that A lines up with the answer.